Hello everyone, reporting live from Tagbiran City. Basang-basa kahit nasa loob ng bahay. Bitaw. So this is the worst scenario in our house during rainy day. It's flooding in here. Wow, this is great. Abot na sala. Oh my God. Pwede nga niya eh. Kung mga sinina ni mo ya, basig na basa. Nasa taas ang problem. Uy, be! Uy, apa? Gibaha naman ni Aina ang wire. Ginuho ko. Soda diri. Rapuhin na, be. Sus, karingi palandri. Kuha ay sus, butang sa resbed. Kay palandri. Boys, nandiyan eh. Kaya tama naman niya itong kwarto ang pangkuya. Kaya may abot, ani. Itong kwarto. Naning duong na po diya sa alaya. Sige, patani. Hello everyone, reporting live from Tagbiran City. Basang-basa kahit nasa loob ng bahay. Bitaw. I could not turn on the lights kay I might get electrocuted. So may baha kahit wala namang baha. Ganun. Ha? Teka lang. Our blankets, our bed sheets, our towel. Kadiutra lang. Huy! Oh, yan. Oh. Baha. Oh, maka-stress, but we have no choice than to clean the water. Kung di mo undang ni Juan, di po ni mo undang og to. Yung nga niya ang senaryo. Hasta akong cellphone basa.
Nag-classes ako.
Sorry. Before, it's only up to the bathroom and Jay's room, but until now, it's also getting inside here in our bedroom. So this is quite alarming. Actually, there's a problem upstairs because this house is two-story house. And then, two separate units. The problem is there, up there, in their roof. And then, we are the ones who suffer. Maka-stress. I'm planning to find a house for rent. Bahala na ako kung gasto yung baya eh. So easy, how about if the scenario will occur without us, only my daughter? Kailakon ko. What if only my daughter is here because I am a working mom? Hindi niya kaya, uy. Hindi niya kaya sa kong daughter. Biskut eh. Buing emosyonal man ko. So that's it, char. So I have body pains, mopping the water. Yes, and it's okay. So I just want to have a shout out to all the people who were there in my previous premiere about a glimpse of my 40th birthday. First, we have my super chatters. Pretty Sis Jana Rose PH vlog who is in Hong Kong. Thank you so much, sis. To Dax 101, thank you also. RM Aaron, thank you also. Yads Gerber TV, thank you so much. And Kuya Ads Official, thank you so much sa pakulay. And to my super chatters during my LS and during my birthday, Alangilan vlog. Mr. J, the PWD, Gorgeous Sis Pitchay, Yads Gerber again. Who else? I might forget someone. Thank you so much to all of you. And to the following who were there in my premiere. A glimpse of my 40th birthday. Tisay Veronica, thank you so much. Mads Lopez. Kasusi TV. Dance Lover OFW, thank you so much. Taga-Uma TV, Guapo, thank you. Moods of the Mountain, Omega, thank you so much. Manoy Official, Guapo, thank you. Master Val Palmares. Aldrin, Gugma Bars, thank you so much. Be fit with me. Sis Ai Caballero, thank you also sa imong pakulay, sis, during my birthday LS. Ang Bulanong Hilaw, thank you so much ta. And to Summer Rain Channel, thank you so much. Alangilan Vlog again, thank you. Katuso, thank you so much. Sir Richard Tactis Official, I'm so glad, sir, because every premiere that I have, you are really there. June Son TV, thank you so much. Sir John Caranas. Guaps JMA, sis, thank you. Sis Kathleen Kabigayan, Itoy Kathleen, thank you so much. Sis Margie TV, thank you so much. Pamilyang Laagan Channel, thank you. Buhulan ng Laagan also. Dudong RG from Gindulman, if I'm not wrong. Mr. J, the PWD, thank you so much, Admin Jo. And to SHJ TV. Greggy 75 TV, thank you so much. Again, to all of you, thank you so much to my super chatters and to all of you who were there in my previous premiere. Thank you so much. And just don't worry about the video because marang po ito umuwan actually. Right? And that kind of problem can still be given a solution. So, laban lang, alaksan. Laban lang, alaksan. That's all. Thank you so much. This is Celeste Guapa saying, let us enjoy life together.